Hey, it's Ian, and today I have a whiteboard. Now this isn't your average whiteboard, this is much cooler. This is one where you can peel and stick it just about anywhere you want. Let's take a closer look. Now what's great about this is that it is 15 feet long, but not to worry because you can cut it to any size you want. Plus, best of all, it comes with this cutter so that you can get professional straight cuts every time. And it's even designed to be removable if you want, so it's not going to damage your walls or paint. Now whiteboards are used practically everywhere, like the office, schools, and even your home. Now these are great for sharing messages and schedules with the family. They're awesome for presentations, and for kids it's perfect because it scratches their creative itch. And with a kit like this, you can finally say yes to drawing on the walls. Now what I love about this is you can cut this big or small, so you can cover an entire table or make labels for organizations. You can get creative. We even made a dry erase clipboard. Now speaking of dry erase, this is about the best quality I've ever seen in a whiteboard. Now unlike other whiteboards that leave marks and traces behind, there is no ghosting with this one. So when you erase your message, it's gone for good. And the whiteboard isn't the only thing that's high quality in this set, because you get two really awesome dry erase markers. You're gonna get a black one and a red one, which both come with an eraser cap. And they're even magnetic. Now there's virtually a million uses for this. You can even get creative and cut them into different shapes for decorating your walls, your coffee mugs, and I even decorated my office cubicle. Now I can assure you, no matter who you are, you will benefit from this. And like I said, you're getting 15 full feet of whiteboard. Plus it comes neatly in this compact box. Now I really want to recommend you buy a few of these because you can combine them and create a full wall of murals if you'd like. Now these sell for upwards of $30 on the official website, but with our incredible deal, you're not going to pay anywhere near that. So head on over to the site and grab yours today.